now at the latest numbers from the State Department of Public Health.
State officials say there are 598 confirmed cases in California. 13 people have died of the virus.
The majority of those cases are people aged 18 to 64, with 392 cases in that age group. 188 cases are reported among people 65 and older, and just 18 cases in children younger than 18.
In the South Bay, a family is grieving after their loved one died from coronavirus. The victim's daughter told us that her father sought treatment but was initially turned away.
She's sharing her story now with us to emphasize the need for social distancing to prevent the spread of the virus. New at 6:30, KTU's Andre Sr. joins us now live from the newsroom with her message. Andre?
Julie and Frank, every day the number of people dying from COVID-19 in the U.S. goes in the wrong direction, up. Behind each of those numbers, though, is not just the name of the victim, but the families they leave behind.
He was lovable, he was kind. Anybody that he met on the street or while he was working, he would shake their hand.
Fond memories and pictures are all that Stacy Silva has now of her dad, Gary Young. Silva telling us that her father passed away Tuesday, just months before his 67th birthday. Young, the latest victim of the coronavirus in Santa Clara County, which continues to have the most cases in the state of California.
I wanted to reach out and tell his story because this is not a joke, people.
A passionate plea from a daughter who finds herself in the unenviable position, going from watching the pandemic unfold in the news to living the horrific fallout from the COVID-19 spread, which has ended up now on the front door of her Gilroy home.
You sit at home, you watch the news, and it feels so far away until it reaches so close to home.
Silva says the journey for her began on March 3rd when her father took a trip to the emergency room for a migraine and cough, but was sent home. 2 days later, Young went to his personal doctor to seek treatment for the symptoms, but was told to go back to the ER. 5 days later, he was admitted to a hospital in Gilroy, put on a ventilator because he couldn't breathe on his own. Young passed away days later. Silva believes medical professionals could have done more to help him.
I will say this, I wish they did more. I really do. I wish that he wouldn't have been sent home because 2 days could have meant my dad still being here.
Silva says she is grieving, but also wants to bring attention to the activities surrounding the virus in recognition of those dealing with the infection and those who've already passed away.
Take this seriously. Stop joking about it on social media. It's not a joke. It really isn't. Look at my dad's face. He was too young to die. He didn't have to die.
Silva said she isn't sure how her father contracted the coronavirus and that he'd been in isolation since early this month. Silva and her family lived with her father together in Gilroy. She told me that health officials would not test her or her family because they had no symptoms. They are currently under a 14-day quarantine at home. Back to you.
Andre, thank you.
The coronavirus has claimed the life of a homeless man in San Jose. A South Bay pastor says